Hi guys, a very good morning. Mamukasei set to announce kuti rally yanga ichifanira kuitwa kuchitungwiza, which was dubbed Path to Legitimacy, has been postponed. And according to Triple C, they said, we would like to inform you that our rally, which was scheduled for tomorrow at Chibuku Stadium in Chitungwiza, has been postponed. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience this has caused. So this is the update in Zimbabwe. The Path to Legitimacy rally has been postponed. The reasons are not yet known, but I suspect that the Triple C intelligence gathered something not good. And remember, President Nelson Chamisa has always said the safety of the people comes first, comes as a priority. So ndomamirira zvakaita at this moment in time, rally postponed to another date. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. Sis chedu kukuya tokupai updates. We were prepared to actually give you a live feed from Chibuku Stadium, but it has been scattered. We have to watch and see kuti party ichazoti kudi ichatipa update yekuti chii. Meanwhile, tiri kuti ka Christmas ino handei tinofara nehama neshamwari. Ngatiendei kumamisha, let us be safe, remember your parents, remember your relatives. That little surprise iyoyoyo inoita kuti zvinhu zvifambe. Kana usina mari, that 2 kg yeshuga yoyo inoita kuti zvinhu zvifambe kuna Mwari. They might not appreciate you, but you get that appreciation from God. So do whatever you do wholeheartedly. Remember to be happy with your family. Find time with your family. If you are somebody whokuti anogara asipo asiri nemhuri yake, find time with your family, be available for them, and do some surprises. Unozwa kuti ukangotengawo kakeki cheko ke$10 ke$5, that is enough. You'll see your family being happy. Kuna vasinawo kuitira mhuri dzavo mabirthdays, you can do combined birthdays this year end. Mobva mangobatanidzira kamunhu wese mutengo one big cake renyu, and you enjoy. You buy a cake, you buy some drinks, then you enjoy this Xmas. So these are small tips Team Zimbabwe dzekuti dzinogona kungotibatsirawo kuti tingova happy nemhuri dzedu. Let us be happy guys. Let us be happy. Ngativakei misha to those who are in diaspora, to those who are abroad, to those vari kunze with opportunities. Guys, ngativakei misha yedu. You know, ka 2 rooms ikako, ka 1 room ikako. We have so many testimonies, guys. Some projects we even started, we should not okay ndatovaka 1 room and I'm launching something, but years later I'm telling you this, kana mune misha yamuinayo, go and prepare, because Zimbabwe ichanaka varume manje Zimbabwe ichanaka, and those who are prepared ndo vachatanga kuwana mabenefits or kuona kuti okay kunotori nemabenefits naye, because everyone will be scrambling to take a position. Saka iwo paunozotanga kuti I now need to launch, I now need to set up, kunenge kwalate. I think I will need to actually come and do a live program regarding that whole issue. So there are so many ideas, business ideas you can do. To those vanenge vashaya kuti totanga chii toita sei, we can actually share and make sure that we start something.